Welcome to a couple of bunkies.
Hey Tim, what project are you working on today?
We have some guests coming, and we really want to update this closet.
Maybe we should add some more shelving so there is more storage. We can also move the coat rack down so there is place for clothes to hang.
Okay, let's get to work and get the cut list together. Okay, so it looks like for this build, we need 4 45-inch boards and 2 76-inch boards and a coat rack rod.
We wanted to make this project as cheap and simple as possible, so we decided to use off-the-shelf pine boards from Lowe's.
They had some imperfections, and they had a waxy coating, so I went ahead and put them through the planer. Making sure that whenever I found a staple, I removed it so it wouldn't destroy my planer blade.
Hey Tim, I don't get to go down to the shop that often anymore. What is that project in the corner with beautiful sticks and bead design on it?
Those were from the live stream of the spindle design that I'm creating for a top secret project. The video will be released in July. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon in order to get notifications when we release new videos. We also ended up buying these shelf holders so that it would be nice and simple when everything went together. I wanted these shelf pilasters to be in the same location on each side of the board, so I went ahead and attached them directly to the side mounts that I'm going to install inside of the closet. We have these shelves in some of the other closets in our house. They're held in with tack nails. I actually didn't have the foresight of buying tack nails for this project, so I'm using some small screws. And I had to sand off any of the excess marker marks on the board. And I ended up doing the same process on the other 76-inch board. Now I had to take off all of the older hardware so I could install the new shelves inside of this closet. Someday I might do a video on how to fix drywall holes. And of course our supervisor Gray had to stop by in order to help us out. Now that the top shelf is cleaned out, I can remove the shelf itself. Before I started this project, I had marked where the studs should be inside of the closet. So all I really needed to do was to place the board on the wall and screw it in to where the stud should be. And of course I had to repeat this process until the two boards were secured on the wall. I would also suggest pre-drilling the holes on the board so that you don't end up splitting the pine board. I wanted the top shelf to be a little bit wider than the middle racks so it can sit on top of the board like a teacup. I was also able to find out that the walls were not square in the closet. It was a little wider at the top and narrower at the bottom, which I had to cut the boards accordingly. I really like having the top shelves designed this way, so it takes more compressive strength for longer term storage items. Now I install the small brass shelf supports that I had shown earlier. The small tab with the 90-degree turn sticks into the little slot in the shelf bracket, and you rotate the tab until it locks the bottom piece into place. It'll kind of make a snap sound. It's honestly not idiot proof, and it can be installed upside down, and the shelves will not be sturdy with it upside down. Now we adjust the heights of all of the shelves to our liking. And that's what really makes this system great. You have so much adjustability in the shelves itself. And we check and see if all the shelves are square and it's good enough for who it's for. Now, if you remember from the beginning, we wanted to install a closet rod at the lower end of this closet. So we had to install these closet hole sockets on each side. I ended up using a coat hanger in order to judge the distance between that and the wall so I can get the distance right. I installed it the same on the other side. And I measure it one more time to get the size right for the curtain rod, and the installation is a snap. And this is the finished result in use. This was a quick, simple upgrade to increase the storage of this closet and make it a little bit more efficient. If you have any suggestions, please leave it in the comment below. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel,